I should wash my hands.
I should wash my hands.
I should brush my teeth.
I should brush my teeth.
I should clean my room.
I should clean my room.
I should do my homework.
I should do my homework.
I should listen to my parents.
I should listen to my parents.
I should go to bed early.
I should go to bed early.
I should help my friends.
I should help my friends.
I should finish my chores.
I should finish my chores.
I should read a book.
I should read a book.
I should wear my seat belt.
I should wear my seat belt.
I should feed my pet.
I should feed my pet.
I should say sorry.
I should say sorry.
I should share my toys.
I should share my toys.
I should be kind.
I should be kind.
I should be honest.
I should be honest.
I should tie my shoes.
I should tie my shoes.
I should pick up my toys.
I should pick up my toys.
I should exercise daily.
I should exercise daily.
I should be quiet in class.
I should be quiet in class.
I should be a good friend.
I should be a good friend.
I should pack my bag.
I should pack my bag.
I should help my family.
I should help my family.
I should not waste food.
I should not waste food.
I should make my bed.
I should make my bed.
I should say excuse me.
I should say excuse me.
I should keep my room tidy.
I should keep my room tidy.
I should respect my teachers.
I should respect my teachers.
I should say good morning.
I should say good morning.
I should not waste water.
I should not waste water.
I should go outside and play.
I should go outside and play.
I should drink milk.
I should drink milk.
I should organize my books.
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 I should wash the dishes.
I should wash the dishes.
I should take a shower.
I should take a shower.
I should finish my lunch.
I should finish my lunch.
I should wear my glasses.
I should wear my glasses.
I should fold my clothes.
I should fold my clothes.
I should smile at others.
I should smile at others.
I should help set the table.
I should help set the table.
I should help clear the table.
I should help clear the table.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should wear clean clothes.
I should stop eating junk food.
I should stop eating junk food.
I should dance at parties.
I should dance at parties.
I should play video games.
I should play video games.
I should ride my bicycle.
I should ride my bicycle.
I should take out the trash.
I should take out the trash. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.